Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. I appreciate the messages as to where the heck have you been, because I have not been making any videos for a couple of weeks now, and the reason was because I had COVID, and initially it hit me pretty hard. Um, where I was having difficult breathing, went to had to go to the emergency room, um, and it tried to hang on for a while. Um, I had a lot of congestion and couldn't really talk regularly, so that's why I wasn't making any videos. Although I was doing some posts uh, during that time as well on Facebook, but I'm almost there. So this is my first video post COVID. And, you know, one of the things I just wanted to mention real quick is the blessing of passive income and recurring income. Because honestly, during the time that I was really sick with the COVID, I wasn't doing any online marketing. I just wasn't doing it. I didn't have the energy. The medicine they were giving me was making me sleep on and off. And but yet, even though I wasn't marketing, I was still getting paid by my primary companies that I promote, which is LiveGood, SaveClub, and Prosperity Marketing System. During that time, even though I was not promoting, I still got a payment from LiveGood. I still got a payment from SaveClub. I still got a payment from Prosperity Marketing System. And that's the beauty of passive and recurring income, because the income can continue to come in. I mean, whether you're sick and can't do videos or promote your program like I was, or whether you're on vacation or you just don't feel like it this week, the income can still keep coming in. And so if you're considering a way to make money online, you definitely want to find a program that has passive and recurring income. My throat still gets a little dry yet. We're not completely over it yet, but the worst is behind us. Yeah, so you want a program that can make you money while you sleep, honestly. And that's why I love these three primary programs. Now, my number one program is SaveClub right now, because it is the hottest thing going in 2025, honestly. Because, with LiveGood, great company, love the products, um, and the income from it. But not everybody's into health and nutrition. Not everybody's into supplements. All right. The thing that's making SaveClub so strong and so hot right now is everybody. I don't know of anybody. Everybody wants to save money, right? So people can join SaveClub and save on all their everyday expenses. They can save on their monthly bills. They can save on their treats, their vacations, their auto insurance, whatever, they can save. And they have opportunity to make money with it. And I'm talking about a lucrative income is very much possible. And really, you could make money with SaveClub and not even promote it, which I don't recommend, through the matrix system, but I don't recommend that. Okay, it's an awesome business. And so that's why you're seeing a lot of people who are making big money in other programs are joining SaveClub, because they see the lucrative potential, they see the passive income, that they see the recurring income, they see the savings, okay, that SaveClub provides. And guess what? It's worldwide. It's a global opportunity. All right. So they've got different banking systems where you can pay and receive payment from. So it really is an awesome business to be a part of. I invite you to be a part of my SaveClub team. And the reason is because we're the fastest growing in SaveClub. which means there's a higher possibility, not a guarantee, but a higher possibility of spillover. But more than that is by being a part of our team, you're getting top-notch training from 7-figure, 6-figure, and 8-figure earners that you would get nowhere else unless you're paying thousands of dollars. And I kid you not, one of our trainers on our team charges thousands of dollars to train people, but he's doing it for us for just being a member of our SaveClub team. So that's a big advantage right there. Plus the resources that are exclusive to our team. Plus I do this full time, and so I'm able to help you to build your business, whether it's part of the group trainings or whether it's one-on-one trainings. I'm here to help you. So being part of SaveClub, that's the number one thing. But also being part of a powerful team that we're a part of, and having a sponsor like myself that really cares about its team, and I go out of my way to help you be successful. All right? So I have a link below if you're interested in making some passive income. I have it for all three programs, for SaveClub, for LiveGood, and for Prosperity Marketing System. I invite you to take a look at all three of them. But if you have to choose between the three, if you could only choose one that you wanted to set your foot down and really get going, that would be SaveClub. So go ahead and click on the link in the description. It's free to get in the power line, and that way you can see exactly what everything's about. You can even see how many people are joining you after you join in the program. So click on the link. It's free. Check it out. You got nothing to lose. You don't have to put a credit card in, anything like that. All right? So again, thank all of you for your concerns with me missing. Those of you that did know that I had COVID, I appreciate your prayers. They definitely helped, and I appreciate your good words for that. So that's it for today's video. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video, and they'll be coming again real soon. As I think I'm pretty much back on my feet. If you got something out of this video today, I'd appreciate if you click on the like button and comment. I welcome comments, good, bad, or indifferent. That helps my algorithms, you know. And if you really like this, go ahead and share it with someone. That would be great. And if this is your first time here, oh my goodness, you've been missing out on a lot of good stuff that I put out on a regular basis, and I'm going to be putting more out again soon. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button. That way you subscribe, and we welcome you to my YouTube channel. And in fact, click on the bell. That way you'll get notified every time I put out a new video, which I do on a regular basis. So that's it for now. You have a foxtastic day, and I will see you on the next video.